Hey guys, Jared here, and I got this desk to review, and this desk is awesome. This is a workstation that can be used as a desk in the garage, or it's nice enough to be even used in the home. So now with this here, it has a really nice top here. It is a mahogany color. You do have drawers right here that you can pull all the way out, and they are really deep, so you can put a lot of items in here. We're using tools. We could always store a bunch of our tools right in there. But for my purposes, I'm using this as a central station. This is going to be where my family can charge all their tablets. This is where we're going to keep our calendar so we can keep track of what we need to do throughout the week. And also a place where we can keep our headphones and tablets and all the things. This has a standing workstation. You can always raise and lower the height of the desk using these pegs here. And you can just easily raise and lower it right here. And then you just turn this right back in place to lock. Along the side here, you'll see all these holes. That way you can actually thread any cords. If you wanted to thread any of your power tools or cords, you could do so right here and easily hang them up. And then also on this side here, you do have access to this power station. So you do have two plugs right here and two USB-A's that you can plug into whatever you'd like. And then you just go right in, and then to turn this off and on, you'll just press that button right there. And the power cord is extremely long. I actually had this tied off and going through some of those holes, so that way I could keep it more organized. But once again, you can always just take the cord, push it right through if you wanted to. So that way you can kind of keep things looking a little bit neater. You could also use a zip tie too if you'd like as well. It's so nice looking, and it's really solid. This thing was kind of heavy to put up here, but once it's here, you know it's going to last for a long time, and it's going to help our family out for a while. So if you're using this in the garage, or if you're using this within the home, this is a great looking table, and you can't go wrong with this. So I say check this out.